Simplicity. That's the very nature of God. And that's the very nature of the truth. Pagiging payag. And so Jesus is inviting us, come to me and learn from me. Because I am simple. You know, at the end of the day, when everything has been said and done, we will be attracted by people who are simple and humble. It's not all about the glare, the spotlight. It's all about our attraction to the God who is simple. And we know that. Nakakapagod ang maging complicated. Come to me, all of you who are tired and are burdensome, and I will give you rest. Learn from me, for I am humble of heart. Sana matuto tayong magpakababa ang loob para muli nating makilala ang Diyos.